In this video, I am going to show you two methods on how you can add music to your Instagram story. So the first method, open your Instagram, and after you open your Instagram, you want to click your profile picture at the very bottom right. Now you are on your Instagram profile. What you want to do, guys, you want to click this plus in the top right, as you can see here, this plus button. After you click on plus button, you want to click on story. After that, Instagram is going to let you choose the picture that you want to add music to, like, so that you can make an Instagram story. So for example, I am going to choose this picture so that I can add music to it. So if you want to add music to your Instagram story, you want to click this sticker, like this sticker in the top right, smiley face, as you can see here in the top right. You want to click it. After you click it, you want to search for music. After you search for music, as you can see here, the sticker of music in the top, you want to click it, and here Instagram is going to let you choose any music that you want to add to your Instagram story. If you don't find it here, click search in the top and search for the name of the music of the artist that you want. So for example, I am going to choose this one. So after that, you want to click done in the top right.
Now there's a piece of it for everyone to do what they want with it. Live up.
After you click the arrow at the very bottom right, like you see, guys, because of the music it was playing, so hopefully you heard what I was saying. So after you click the arrow at the very bottom right, you want to click on share. Okay, when you click share, that's all you need to do, guys, and then click done, and now you have shared your Instagram story. The second method is go to Spotify and search for any music you want. It's free, like you don't need to pay for anything. Just search for any music you want. For example, this one. Let me know, guys, if this works in the comments like crazy, and then select any music you want. For example, this one, and then what you want to do, guys, after that, for example, this, I am going to click three little dots in the top right, and then click share, and then share it to your Instagram, as you can see here, Instagram, and then click this arrow at the very bottom right. So that's all you need to do, guys. Hopefully this